Hi everybody and welcome to writing for this week. Today we're going to look at adding some punctuation. We have done lots and lots of this at school, so we should be pretty good at it and we should be able to do it without any grown-ups' help. So first of all, when we're using punctuation, we have a couple of different things that we always have to use. First of all, we have capital letter, always goes at the start of a sentence. We leave finger spaces between our words so that we can see which word is which. And at the end, we can have a couple of different things. So normally we use a full stop, which just means that we've finished our sentence or finished our writing. But we can also use a couple of different things. So we can have a question mark, which obviously we use when we're asking a question. Or we can have an exclamation mark. And an exclamation mark is when we're really excited, or if someone's yelling, or they're very enthusiastic. That's when we use one. So today, you're going to have a go at writing some sentences. And what we're actually looking for is if you can fix the punctuation. So there's going to be a sentence. And what you'll need to do is write the sentence down and then fix it so it has a capital letter, spaces between the words, and either a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. And we're going to practice one together first so that you can see, and then you're going to have a go at doing the next ones. When you've had a go and you keep going in the video and you check your answer, you can put a big tick if you get it correct. If you miss some of the things, that's totally fine. All you would need to do is just fix it up, okay? So here is the first one. Let's have a look at my sentence here. It says, it is a hot day. And I can see here, no capital letter, so I needed to fix that. There's my fixed up capital. And if I have a look here, I forgot to put a space between my words. So I've written it again and I've left my space. And then at the end, that's right, we have a full stop. So we need to make sure that we put all of those things in our sentences all the time. All right, now it's going to be your turn. So on the next slide, there's going to be a sentence. And what I want you to do when you get to the next page is pause, copy the sentence, and then you have to try and put the capital letter, the spaces, or a full stop on the end. Sometimes there might be all of those things. Sometimes there might only be some of them. It's going to be a little bit tricky just to try and trick you and see if you know what to do. So let's have a look here. First sentence. It says, I like the big cat. What do we need to put in that sentence? Have a think about it. Pause the video, write it down properly, and then we'll have a look. Okay, are you back? Let's have a look and see. So, for our sentence, we needed to change a capital at the start, so a big I. I like the big cat. And we put a full stop at the end. So there was only two things to fix in that one. If you did it, give yourself a big tick. If there was something you missed, fix it up for me, okay? All right, sentence number 2, let's have a look and see. Ooh, let's have a look at this one. It says, is it a hot day? Something missing here. This doesn't look quite right. And I think this is actually a question. So what do you think we might need at the end? Pause the video, write it down, try and fix it all up so you'll have a capital, you'll have spaces between words, and you'll have something special at the end. All right, shall we check and see? Here we go. Capital at start, so we need a capital I. Is it, left a space between those words, is it a hot day? It was a question, so we needed to put a question mark. If you did all those things, give yourself a big tick. If not, you know what to do. Fix it up for me. All right, we have one last sentence to try. Okay, I will read it for you. Let's see. It says, the best food is cake. And that sounds like something someone's very excited about. So, I can see something definitely missing here. And if they're very excited, what would they put on the end? Pause the video, write it down, and then we'll check the last one. Okay, are we ready to check? Here we go. There is that capital. And this person was super excited, so they put an exclamation mark. Now, if you put a full stop, that is actually fine as well, because you could have either one, depending on if you're super excited about cake or not. Okay, and well done, my fabulous friends. That's all we needed to practice today. If you would like, you could maybe try and write a couple more sentences and look for capitals, spaces between words, and a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay, good luck. Thanks very much.